Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and in this video I wanted to answer a question that I've been getting a lot, and that is, how do I have my setup whenever I'm shooting videos? Here right now I am actually using my Galaxy S8 cell phone, super fancy, compared to my old flip phone, and I just use the camera setting on that. I don't have any special lenses. I think that would be great. But I use both selfie mode as well as like front face. I don't know what they're called. I'm just a professional. I don't really know what I'm doing. But yeah, and it's set into a selfie stick clip, which actually, let me just go ahead. Whoop, and yep, this is the camera head. The little selfie stick attachment that attaches right where a camera would normally sit. Very nice tripod from Walmart, like $15. Let me see if I can slip this back into the, without, haha! Normally I accidentally turn it off whenever I do that. So here you can see, now over in my corner, I actually have two box lights, boop and boop. Links, actually Amazon affiliate links to everything that I'm talking about in this tutorial will be down in the video description. So if you're looking to get some for yourself, if you follow that link, it really helps out our channel. So shameless product placement. But no, really though, I got these for Amazon as part of a set along with these two umbrella lights that I actually have set up over here on my other workstation. That is a nightmare. Look at how messy that is. Geez, Vaughn. But here you can see I have one of these tripod arms or camera arms, again with another selfie stick. I get them for like $3, maybe $4 on Amazon, and I just stockpile the sticks for if I ever need like a telescoping rod. But it's fully adjustable, and this will let me get the camera. Let me right down here. That way, whenever I'm recording or I'm talking about something, the camera is right here and you're catching my perspective as much as possible. And I have one of these in most places of the house where I like to record. Usually I try to have like one per workstation. The one that was on this workstation is currently off in the paint room. But over here is where I do most of my tutorial recording for like, especially like wire wrapping and stuff. And so you can see I've got those two great big box lights. I've got another little lamp over here that really whites everything out, but it helps fill even more. In a perfect world, I would be able to have a third light here where the tripod is standing, and I'll just be like completely light boxed in. But we'll kind of get to that. And so here you can see, again, another one of those little clamp-on tripod arms just clipped onto the wall shelf. But this one, the springs gave out. I don't know why, but if I put any kind of weight in this part, it just sinks right down. So I actually just have a cute little ribbon tied around it to kind of hold it into its place. It's giving it a little bit more support, but that way I can have the camera just right there. So again, I'll just be in my little chair. I'll have the camera set right here, and then I'll be working. And so whether it's leather working or whether it's chainmail or wire wrapping or I mean what have you, this tripod is going to be able to catch as close to through my eyes as possible. Now I run into a lot of problems with I wander off frame a lot, and I've tried tape on the table. I keep this to like, you know, this will be in frame, but sometimes I just get really into what I'm doing and my hands will travel closer and I'll kind of like sink in a bit and like come out of the camera range. That's just that's just me, I guess. But for the most part, this really comes in handy. Whenever I'm leatherworking or doing anything with a hammer, it kind of gets into the way, so I just kind of have to keep that in mind, and you can tweak the angles and stuff quite a bit, so I could have it like off to the side and still catch a little bit of an angle. So yeah, that's for the most part, that's the equipment that I use. That's for posting a video a day, whether it's garden stuff, whether it's vlogging, whether it's wire wrapping, resin, chainmail, whatever kind of tutorial or whatever it is that I'm recording, that is the equipment that I use. And if you guys have any more questions about it or have anything specific that you want to ask, please leave a question or comment down below. Links to all of the stuff that I talked about, as well as all of my social media links and my Patreon link, will be down in the video description as well. I had some questions about how to view the video descriptions, but I don't really know how to describe it. There'll just be like a little down arrow that says like show more if you're viewing on a cell phone, I think. So hopefully you can find that. But yeah, thank you guys so much though. I really appreciate these questions y'all have been sending in, and I hope that this was helpful to you. And until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day and happy crafting. I'll see y'all around. Bye.